Geometry class. Today we will continue teaching you right triangles and trigonometry. Right triangles and trigonometry. Today our topic is law of sines and law of cosines. These properties. I have one problem right here. The area of the triangle sine formula. So find WX, and the area of the triangle X, Y, and Z. X, Y, and Z. Okay, this is we have WX is right here. Right, we have this point W right here. Okay, WX. So we have to remember the concept of the sine and the cosines. So the sines is of an angle we are talking about the right triangles is a radio. This is the main concept. So I want to write a picture right here. If, for instance, we have this triangle right here. This is our right triangle. All right, and then this is X, and this is the right angle right here. Then the signs here is a sine or the sine of X. This angle it is equals to opposite legs divided by hypotenuse. What is a hypotenuse here? The hypotenuse is the longer side. This is hypotenuse. This is the leg. This is one leg. This is another leg. Opposite legs to the X is this one, this side, and then the hypotenuse is the adjacent side. It's the longest one. So the area of the triangle of a triangle, we have a problem right there, but I write in the main concept area. Is equals 1/2 of base times height. Base times height. This is the formula to find area of the triangle. So B is the base. B is equals base. And then H is equals height. That's the formula. And the A is means the area. All right. After this, let's go to find the solution to our problem. Find the WX and the area of the X, Y, and Z. All right, so first we have to find WX. All right, it's our first step. So this triangle WXZ yeah, let's we don't need this. Let's write it right here in our problem W right here. Let's write it W, yeah, because otherwise cannot find it. So find WX. We have to find WX, this side. Okay, we are talking about the sides X and then C. This is more complex next because if we try to find this, so also true WX. Let's write here because it's a height. Let's write it like this. WX. It's okay. It's fine. This will be the height. This is the sides. Right there. Okay. So one data here. So we have to since 1 point. See, since let's see our triangle. Since angle angle Z, look at the angle C right here. You know the angle C is 26 degrees. It is supposedly, this angle is supposedly to this one, okay? It's supposedly, so WX. Let me keep it right this. I'm gonna take it out this because maybe WX. Yeah, don't we don't need that. So this one, this angle is opposite to WX. Okay, it's one data, right? Let's figure it out. So now we have to use here sines or sines, the sines to write C, to write C, say sine of C. That's very important. So that's I will the first step. We are using the sine, okay? Sine formula. I give it to you before the sine formula. So let's go to this step. So here's sine of Z, and then let's see what happened. Equals the sine. What is the formula for the sine? Opposite to divided by the hypotenuse. Okay. So in this case, we will have WX divided by XC. XZ. Okay. X. No, I confuse. This will continue like that. So we need, because we need to the height right here. This is the two triangles divided by the triangle in two. Then this is a definition of sine. It's the first step, definition of sine. Okay, I will just solve another problem because maybe I get confused in this one since I'm missing this letter. But yeah, we are talking the BWX is opposite to this side. Is opposite, not the side. It's this side to the angle. We are talking about the right triangle. So that's why I divide my triangle in two triangles. These two triangles are equal. So this is the right side equals right here 90 degrees. All right. So we have the data right here. Then sine of C, how much is 26? I have those data 26 right here. So look at the my information here. We will have, because we don't know how much is WX. That is the question right there. Here the total is 14. So one side is equal 7, right? Divided by 26. Let's let me do 16 right here. 16, yeah, not 14, 16 this side. Okay, 14 this way, 14. Oh, keeping the same. 14, and then this side is this is a hypotenuse in this case. Remember, the top is opposite leg, and then divided by hypotenuse. This is hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is 8. Okay, it's 8. Hypotenuse right here in our triangle. So if we find the sine, let's see in the calculator. You see how much is the sine? Here is equals 0.4383, right? Let's see, C equals WX divided by 8 is the hypotenuse. Okay, this is the hypotenuse. You have it right there. So now this is dividing right here. We have to multiply to the other side. We will have here 3.5069 equals WX. This is the height of our triangle. So now we're looking for this first. Find WX. That was our first step. WX right here. Right now we have here. Let me write it right here. 3.5069 point. That's the height. All right. Now we have to find the area and the area. Find WX and the area. Now we have to find the area. So find the area. Let's find the area here. So we have to find the area. How find the area? So the area, just write the formula. I will to write the formula of triangle is x double y z is equals 1/2 by b times height. That's the formula. So we have to simplify here or substitute. Is we substitute this, we will have 1/2 here times base. What is the base of the triangle? So this, oh yeah, we are looking now we have to find the area, the total of the triangle. Okay, the total now they have the triangle. We have the base right here. This is the base actually. So write 14 here. 14 times, how much is the height? This number 3.5069. So on, it's not exactly the point. So just multiply all these three numbers. Let's do it. 24, 87. See? That's it. So the nearest tends to the nearest tends to WX is just write 3.5, not the total right here. 3.5. This, so, and then the area XYZ is this, the answer here right here, this number is 24.5. The square. So this is our answer, right? It's right there, the answer. Okay. So let's go to the next point. So it is easy. So we have here we apply the sign. Let's go to solve another problem. Let me make a picture about. Let's go to the next section. Law of sines. Law of sines. let's write one problem here. We have to find our triangle. This is our triangle. It's let me make a picture like this also. This triangle right here, this is U, this is T, this is S, this is 23, 23, T, this is 124 degrees, then it's 32, 32 degrees right there. This is U, and then that's it. So the law of the sines, so let's so we have the triangle right here. This I explained in the main concept to our problem. If we have A, B, and C, C, B, A. So we have this formula here. Will be equals A divided by sine of A. Okay. This is equals B 2 divided by sine of B equals C sine divided by sine of C. That's a main point. This is the law. This is the property to find the answer in this case on our problem. All right, so let's erase it here and then start to solve our problem. For instance, we have just right here t divided by sine of t. Okay, equals. Okay, we are looking for find t, the value of t. We have to find the value of t. All right, how much is this side? So s, this is equals s sine of s. Right here. It's 124. Okay, this is our formula. Now substitute right here. We substitute, we will have sine of here t is 32 degrees equals, and then we have s. How much is s? S is this one. Remember, it's opposite. S is equals 23. So sine of how much is right here? We have no, the sine of not 32, 124. 124 is s is right here, right? We simplify this. It's very simple. Okay, we will have t right here. Let's sine of 32. Sine of 32 is will be equal 0.529 point equals 23 right here. 23. So 0.829. All right. So on. We don't know. So simplify. Here we will have t 0.529 point equals, we have to solve this one. You divided this, we will have 27.743. So here t is equals this is division. We have to multiply here. So the answer we have 14.701 and so on. So to the north, Uh, the notice 10 is T is equals 14.7. Yeah, that's our answer. Okay, this is the solution to our problem. All right, easy. Let's go. One more thing. I need to explain it to you about how to use the law of sine and law of the cosine. Okay, this this section is about law of cosines. 3. Law of cosine. I teach you as we saw the sines. Now we have to see how work the cosines. And then for understand this section, just we have to find G. So we have this triangle here. Okay, we have F, H, and G. Then G right here, F, and then we have 11 right here. Oh, and F, let me write 7 right here. You have those information there. So remember, cosines. So the rules. If we have a triangle like this, let me make a picture of this triangle A, B, C. So this is C, this is B. No, this is A, like this. So our formula, we have 3 different formulas here. One is A to the second power is equals B squared plus C squared minus 2BC. 2BC cos 8. That's the first one. This is a one case. The second one, when you have B squared, I mean, it will be A squared plus C squared minus 2AC cosine of B. All right? And the last one is C squared equals A squared plus, of course, B squared minus 2AB, right? Cosine of C, right? That's our formula, our main concept. All right? So we have our problem right here. We have to use some of this information here. So in this case, we have to find G right here. We need to write problem in which way. So let's eraser. Let me erase it here. Just keep in your mind, you wanna you forgot, just check the video back and then see what happened here. So here then, after the information that I write it right here, just write it G squared equals F squared plus H squared 2FH here cos of G. All right? If we substitute this, you must to write G squared equals, now give it the numbers, F squared. How much is F squared? F, o sea, not the angles, this, the opposite side, right here, F is equals 7 to the second power plus H. H is right here, it's 11 to the second power minus, we have to write 2 right here, and then 7, Yeah, times 11. I use the parentheses right there. Cosine of how much? Of G. What is G? G is right here. G, cosine of G. Yeah, there's a cosine. I missed right there. Is it the cosine is 30 right here? I'm missing 30 degrees right here. 31 degrees. So now G squared is equals 7 times 7, 49, plus 11 times 11, 121. Minus here we have 154 right there. Yeah, just multiply all this, and then cosine of 31 is equals 0.857. This is the cosine. Check in your computer and your calculator. Now G squared is equals here is 30 minus right here 37. Let's do it. 49 plus 129, 21. 49 plus 29 minus 154. Minus 0 point is going to be a 37. 37.1996. So check it, double check, okay, double check. This is a square, remember, a square. You find a square root of this number, the opposite operation to this, we have to find the square root. So you find the square root, G is going to be 6.164, right? So the nearest 10 is G equals C.2. All right. That's our solution to our problem. So that's it for today. The law of sines and the law of cosines. We are talking about the right triangles and trigonometry class. Of course, belong to geometry class. So thank you so much. Thank you. I'm waiting for you next time. Thank you.